Alright, I am recording now, but I just want to get this ready to go. He's taken off. I want to record this as best I can. So how does he handle the traffic? It's amazing. Oof, look at how close they get to him. It looks so dangerous. Such maniacs on the road. Who knows where he's going exactly? He's heading south in Spooner. And then off in the distance here, you can see all these RVs. There's a Spooner Rodeo going on, and they're making all kinds of noise next to this fish hatchery. There's oh, look at all that. There's a few dry beds. That's me in that parking lot. But flight altitude exceeds aircraft may be violation of laws. What do you mean? I thought it was 400. You can see there's a lot of action going on in the stage over at the Spooner Rodeo Friday night. They got a wall of trees. The announcer said that that this is the first time they had 3 nights where they were all sold out. So that's an interesting thing to hear. They've played the national anthems, and yeah, now they're in the business of whatever they're doing. It sounds like it's the 8-second tests for bucking horses. Yeah, there's something going on. Horse circling the stage. There's a crowd there. Horse circling. Oh, there goes somebody. Oh, they're wrangling up cattle. Okay. And then they have a time limit for that. Okay, they're wrangling up cows pretty much. Alright. Alright, I'll get back here. This is the fish hatchery that they're next to. I get a little tour inside, talking to a lady. It's a state fish hatchery. It's awful massive. Wow. A lot of dry beds. And then there's the rodeo again. Alright. And then a pond people can fish at. Spooner off in the distance. Smoke. Is there a fire? That's an unusual amount of smoke. The DNR is right here. And then we got a lot of smoke over here. I didn't hear any sirens. Just have a peek at that smoke. I know I can't get too close without it failing. So now I'm curious about this smoke. In the city like this? Like something's burning down. I can't make out what that is. Ah, it's too many trees in the way. I'm kind of strafing to just see around as best I can. Maybe it's just some little campfire. Somebody, yeah, the campfire behind the house type of thing. Can't quite see it's dissipating a little bit. Okay. Alright, well that's Spooner. Alright, where am I? Gotta get back over here. I'll fly lower. I don't want to, there are enough wires and stuff I gotta be careful of. But yeah, this is a fish hatchery again, the dam. I can get up to, I'll do about 200 just to be safe. I didn't hear any airplanes. Yeah, all this is fenced in. These fish hatcheries. Okay, I don't want to get too low because I know there's wires around. I'm at 100 feet. I just come straight over my car and drop in.